Hello everyone, this is Sunny Chen, the sales manager of Dezsmart. We are factory for BGA workstation. Today I would like to introduce you our top seller BGA workstation, DEZ-R820. This model is semi-automatic with alignment system. It can repair all kinds of chipsets like laptop, desktop, Xbox, and communication board, all kinds of BGA chipsets. Let me show you the machine. With 3 independent heaters, top heater, infrared heater, and bottom heater. The third heater can adjust its height. The machine equipped with alignment system can make your work more efficiency. With laser positioning, you can easily find the right position for BGA. You can adjust the alignment accuracy by X, Y, Z button. With 3 different working modes, also can generate CPK report. Touchscreen control, we can easily check the temperature curve profile. Click emergency stop if any emergency case happen. We have different size of nozzles for your choice. Contact us for more information. Thanks for watching.